Lexus RX, installing a navigation DVD motion controller. Very, very easy. Raise your armrest and grab a hold of this panel. We're gonna pop it out to the side, just like that. Now we're gonna remove this silver trim piece here. Okay, there we go. Okay, next we take this black trim piece. Let's pull it from up here. Okay, next is the most difficult part. We need to remove the 10mm bolt that's deep inside this hole. It helps to use a magnetic socket so you don't lose your bolt. Okay, here's the other bolt. And next, I'm gonna remove the shift knob just so I have more room to work. And then I'm gonna lay down thick blanket and I'm gonna pull the radio towards me. Alright. Okay. Alright. I disconnected the clock so I could pull the radio out more. Here's my NDS6223EP. Super easy after this. Let's plug our connectors in. Gonna start off with our main connector here. All you have to do is stick a flat edge, push up on the clip, and then you need to remove this gray clip piece, disconnect the right connector, grab the identical connector from our adapter, clips right in, and the back side of it will connect to the connector from the car, just like that. And you want to cover this with electric tape, which we will do in a bit. And here's the other connector. And then the GPS connector all the way down here. All right. Then grab a hold of your gray clip. Oh shoot, I put it in backwards. It's supposed to go in this way. Okay, everything's connected. Going to wrap that with electric tape. I like to use electric tape because just in case if you ever want to remove this kit, it'll come off a lot cleaner than using the insulation tape that we provide. And here's your module. We are going to use this double-sided tape that's included with the kit. Apply it on here, and then we're gonna find a good place for it. There's a lot of room in the RX. Secure that. Okay. And then plug your clock back in. And everything goes back the way you took it out. And you are done.